Quick video. O2 Acura 3.5 engine. After your requirement maintenance, after you done your requirement maintenance, you want to reset your engine light. Press these two buttons right here that says select and reset. Put your fingers, each fingers on each of these two buttons right there. Press them down, and then you put your key inside your ignition. As you pressing these two buttons down and turn your vehicle, turn the key to on position. Do not start the vehicle, just turn the key to on position and hold these two buttons down for 10 seconds. Okay, after 10 seconds, then turn the key off, pull the key out and insert the key and turn the vehicle on, and your requirement maintenance light, which will be right here somewhere, would actually eliminate it. And that's how you reset your required maintenance 3.5.